Experiencing SMS issues on T-Mobile? The primary culprits are often related to the SMSC number or RCS settings. The SMSC, Short Message Service Center number, is like an address for SMS messages. An incorrect or outdated SMSC number can prevent messages from sending or receiving. T-Mobile's default SMSC number is +1263130 for most U.S. regions. RCS, Rich Communication Services, is an upgraded messaging protocol offering features like read receipts and group chats, but it relies on a stable data connection. If your data connection is unreliable, RCS can interfere with standard SMS. A common fix involves toggling RCS off to force messages to use the more reliable SMS protocol. First, for Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, and Access Point names. Edit the T-Mobile APN and ensure the MMSC or MMS proxy reflects the correct SMSC number, which is +12063130004. After making changes, restart your device. For iOS devices, use a third-party app like SIM card info to check and update the SMSC number. Ensure it matches the T-Mobile standard. Next, to disable RCS in Google Messages, tap your profile picture. Then access Messages settings, chat features, and turn off RCS. Test SMS functionality afterward and re-enable RCS if desired. Finally, ensure auto retry is enabled in your messaging app settings. For manual retries, long press unsent messages and select retry. These steps often resolve SMS issues.